Biba Guam. And then show me eyelid. Show me letter I. And then you're going to make a rock like this and make a circle. Everyone say eyelid of Guam. Eyelid of Guam. All right, so I want to hear you loud and clear. Everyone, you're going to say Biba miss tomorrow. Get ready, go. Biba miss tomorrow. I don't hear all of you. Get ready, go. Yes, so this month, March, is our time to learn about the tomorrow families, to learn about the tomorrow people, to learn about how they live their lives, right? Do we live in the island of Guam? Yes, right? So that is something that we need to know, learning about different people. Everyone say learning about different people and the way they live their lives. Yes, through stories, right? Everyone say the Guam legends. And also what? Through their dances and their music. Can you show me music? Let me see your hands, boys and girls. Music. Now show me dances. Yes, through their dances, through their music, through the story. Can you show me story? Yes, right. And how many of you are tomorrow? Who's Guamanian? Who's tomorrow? Not all of us, right? Just some of us. Okay? So it's always good to learn about different people. Okay, so we are going to do that through music, through dance. Are you ready, boys and girls? Yes? Everyone say, Malik Toninos. Let me see a dolphin. Make a dolphin swim. Swimming dolphins. So who are we? Dolphins. We are the dolphins, mighty, mighty dolphins. Everywhere we go, people want to know. So we tell them who we are. We are the dolphins, mighty, mighty dolphins. Everywhere we go, so we show them who we are. Let me see your hands. Get ready, go. D-O-L, D-O-L, D-O-L-P-H-I-N-S. Go. And a big dolphin splash. Get ready, go. Dolphin splash. Everyone say, we are home of the dolphins. We are home of the Toninos. Everyone say, Viva tomorrow. Viva Guahan. Viva JMG. Everyone say Maui. Everyone say Austin. Wow, it's so nice to see a lot of them, right? Boys and girls, how do you feel when you see a lot of your kinder friends? Do you feel good? Everyone say, I feel good. I feel happy. But the only thing that we gotta remember is to what? To be smart, stay apart. Can we say it together? Get ready, go. Be smart, stay apart. Be smart, stay 6 feet apart. Everyone say social distancing. That's the only way we can keep our school open. Who likes to come to school? Yes. So the only way is to keep yourself safe, keep others safe as well by keeping your distance 6 feet apart, right? All right, so we're going to dance. Everyone say dance time. Okay, Miss Penaflor, which one do you want to do? Anything? All right. Okay, so maybe we can start with Chamoru Girl. Who likes Chamoru Girl? Okay, so Miss Kaga's gonna get it ready because Miss Kaga has a lot to share with you. It's just we don't have enough time, right? Our time is very precious. Everyone say our time is very precious.